I'm so excited to be at McDonald's today. Look, they have a Happy Meal giving out the Mario Kart toys, and we got two. Look, isn't this box so cool? Have a look at the box. There's Mario on one side, there's Princess and Donkey Kong on one side, there's the happy smile, and look, there's even Yoshi on one side of the box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Can't wait to open this box. Let's open this Happy Meal box and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. If you can look inside, there's the regular Happy Meal, and this is definitely the highlight. Look, it's the box, and it says it's a Donkey Kong card. Let's open this box together. What do you think we got? Oh, look, we got Donkey Kong in this box. So let's have a look at Donkey Kong. So here is the side, the front, the other side, and the bottom. Oh, and look, you can remove the wheels and make the cards interchangeable. So you can collect more of these Mario Karts and interchange the top and the bottom like so. And it also comes with these stickers, so you can put these stickers onto the car. Let's open the other box and see what we got. And as usual, we have in here a Happy Meal. And of course, the highlight again is this box. And oh look, we got another Donkey Kong. Or is it a Donkey Kong? Let's open and find out. Oh look, we got a second Donkey Kong. It's exactly the same as the other one. So what do you think? Are you excited for the Mario Kart series for the McDonald's Happy Meals? Which one do you want to collect? Oh, I want to collect them all.